Once upon a time in a land of shimmering light, lived a young Eternal named Thena. She had powers beyond her years, with a heart full of kindness and courage. One day, she found a lost baby bird, shivering and cold, all alone. Thena gently picked up the bird, wrapped it in her cloak, and took it home. She made a warm nest for it, fed it seeds, and whispered soothing words. The bird soon warmed up and thanked Thena with a chirp, now feeling all cozy and safe. The next day, Thena decided to return the bird to its family. She asked her friends, the wise Centurions, for help. Together, they set off on an adventure to find the bird's home. They journeyed through vast forests, across rushing rivers, and up steep mountains. They met friendly creatures along the way, who helped them on their quest. At last, they found the little bird's family, who were overjoyed to see their lost one. Thena handed the bird back to its mother, who hugged it tightly. The family thanked Thena for her kindness, and the bird chirped happily in her arms. Thena smiled, knowing she had made a difference, and that's what being an Eternal is all about. As she returned home, she felt a sense of pride in her heart. She had helped a small creature in need and had made new friends. From that day on, Thena became even more loved and respected among the Eternals. And so, the story of Thena spread throughout the land. Of her kindness, bravery, and pure heart. She was an example for all young Eternals to follow. Always helping those in need, just like she did with the little bird.